Welcome to Section 3, Plot Customizations. Welcome to the first video, Customizing PyLab in Style. Matplotlib styles are very efficient and fast way to customize Matplotlib drawn plots without customizing each and every element of the plot separately. Matplotlib provides a whole library of style sheets. For example, to print out what all styles are available with the Matplotlib, we can call style and pass the property available. Okay, so it gives us a list of styles which are available with Matplotlib. For example, few things which you might be able to recognize is 538 from the list. 538 is a data analysis website which is extremely popular in North America and provides data analysis on various US elections and sport events. And they have their own style of data visualizations. So this particular style sheet provides that, and you can apply that style to any plot you want to. Seaborn is a Python module which works with Matplotlib to provide beautiful plots. This style turns Matplotlib default plots into Seaborn style plots. Okay, let's create one and see how it works. Here's an example. We created a plot without doing any customization except for some labels and such, right? So, if we have to apply and customize lot of different elements, we would have to customize the color, the font size, and other things individually. Instead, we can use a fast track method by using a style. For example, to use a style, we call the method style, use, and pass the name of the style which we want to use. In this case, we want to try out the ggplot style. Then we run the code for the plot and see how it'll change the plot. So by using this one line of code, the style we want from very basic to a beautiful looking style plot over here, which customizes the grid, the background, the x-axis, the color, and so on. Let's try another one. Seaborn. Seaborn provides some beautiful styles. Here we go. This is a Seaborn style plot. It changes the block size, it changes the color, changes the background, the font size, and so on. Let's try the 538 style plot too. And we got this all by using a single line code. And we have a bunch of others also that I recommend you should try and experiment with. This concludes this video.